So hey guys, it's Nikki here with Lifestylediyw and welcome to my Valentine's Day DIYs. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and follow me at Lifestylediyw. So I wanted to make a Dollar Tree Standee heart frame for Valentine's Day, and my inspiration, I found a picture on Google. I'm so sorry, I'll try to link the person below, but I love this farmhouse style frame with the buffalo check. So I have here these George Stanley note cards with the buffalo check envelope, the package of little hearts from Dollar Tree. I also used a few pieces of the Jenga Tower Game from Dollar Tree as well, and let's get started. So all I had to do was cut out a square from an old poster board just to use as the back. And I kind of cut it a little bit too short, knowing that I wanted to use 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12 Jenga pieces to make a frame. I actually wanted to make it like a mini picture, but then the heart was kind of big. So literally all I'm doing right here is cutting out the note card, gluing it to the poster board to create the backing, and then adding the Jenga pieces. I'm also using my CT25 Chandler tool hand glue gun, and that joint is perfect, super lightweight. So all you see me doing here is gluing the Jenga pieces down. Now the bottom pieces overlaps, of course, because I cut the back smaller. So I was gonna stain it, but then I figured let me just cover it with some, lace, make it look vintage. It is kind of, Valentine's Day, so I wanted the frame to be vintage. So I'm just going to finish gluing on these Jenga pieces, and then we'll get to the next step, which would be adding the heart. The Jenga pieces I really did have to move around. I also wanted to add this lace from Dollar Tree as well. And you're gonna see I placed just a little bit of glue, not a lot, because I really I kind of made this on the fly, so I'm just adding lace to cover up the Jenga pieces. Now you can leave it, you can stain it, you can do whatever you would like, and it stands up actually on its own. I just wanted to fortify the back of it, and that's what you see me doing right here. Now we're going to add half of the heart, because it's a container, so it's 2 pieces. So you do a split the heart, and it already comes pre-cut already. Now all I did was take, for the stand part, 2 Jenga pieces. I glued them together along with a dowel and glued it to the back of the poster board so it could stand up. And you're gonna see that in this clip right here. That's literally all I did, was glue 2 pieces of Jenga pieces to the bottom of the frame, and then the dowel. And here you have it, guys. I even added a little lace bow at the top just to give it some consistency around the frame. I thought this was so cute. You can add a little picture behind that, clear heart, candies, whatever you want to make it. It's your way, so you do it how you like it. But I thought this was super easy and cute. You can even give it as a gift. And I styled it over here on my little beignet, or whatever the hell you call this, in my dining room. But look at it. Guys, thank you so much for watching my Lifestylediyw Valentine's Day DIYs. I will have more coming soon, so make sure you follow me, like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and stay tuned for more, guys. Bye.